Rattus norvegicus, or more commonly referred to as the rat. We'll be able to explore the digestive, excretory reproductive, and the muscular systems.
But first we will be taking a look at the external features of the rat. The external features include the vibrissae, incisors, pinna, nictitating membrane. Although some of these features may not sound familiar, they are commonly known by other names. For example, the vibrissae, located superficial to the rat, are also called whiskers. The incisors, or sharp teeth, of the rat help the rat chew and tear up the food it needs. The pinna is located anterior to the vibrissae and also is referred to as ears. Finally, the nictitating membrane acts as a third eyelid. This is a feature that the rat does not share with humans. However, it helps rats seal their eyes better underwater.
Kate, what is a rat's favorite game?
I don't know, what?
Hide and squeak!
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control.
The digestive system contains the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, cecum, large intestine, pancreas, mesentery, rectum, spleen, and the liver. We will start at the esophagus. The esophagus is located anterior to the stomach, and the esophagus goes to the diaphragm and carries food from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach, located medial in the body, stores food and breaks down the food to help with digestion of protein. Inferior to the stomach is the small intestines. The small intestines receives partly digested food. The large intestine, or the colon, connects with the small intestine. The large intestine is where the final stages of food digestion occur. The cecum is located inferior to the large intestines. It is very similar to the appendix in humans because it has a portless pouch. Next we have the pancreas. The pancreas is found in the tissue between the stomach and the large intestine. It produces digestive enzymes and secretes insulin. These are vital roles throughout the body. Here we have the mesentery, which is the sticky webbing that holds the intestine together. And it attaches the intestines to the dorsal abdominal wall. The rectum is located near the caudal portion of the body. The rectum's job is to store feces. The spleen attached to the stomach helps destruct and store blood cells. It is possible to live without a spleen. However, without a spleen, an organism is more vulnerable to diseases. The last thing in the digestive system is the liver, which is this big part above the stomach. It is located inferior to the diaphragm. The liver transforms waste into less harmful substances and helps digest fat. The four parts of the liver include the median, the cystic lobe, the left lateral lobe, and the right lateral lobe, and the caudate lobe. And that is the end of the digestive system.
Stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it.
Our next system is the excretory system. The excretory system includes the kidneys, renal artery, adrenal glands, ureter, urethra, and the urinary bladder. The reproductive system in males also includes the testes, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and the prostate gland, while females possess ovaries, horns of the uterus, and the vagina. The kidneys are the bean-shaped structures that are located towards the dorsal side of the rat. The renal artery helps supply the kidneys with blood. The glands located anterior to the kidneys are embedded in fat and called the adrenal glands. These help spread adrenaline quickly throughout the body. Next, the ureters attaches the kidney with the bladder. The urinary bladder is located posterior to the kidneys and stores urine. In the male rat, the testes are medial in the body. They play a major role in the reproduction process. In the vas deferens, located posterior to the seminal vesicle, move sperm from the epididymis which is located on the testes, to the urethra. The prostate glands are located around the bladder in the male body. The vagina of the female rat lies dorsal to the urinary bladder. On the left and right of the vagina are the uterine horns, which will hold the embryos. This is different than the human reproduction system because the embryo is held in the uterus. Anterior to the uterine horns are the ovaries. These help store eggs for the female rat.
It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it.
And final system today will be the muscular system. The muscular system will include the biceps brachii, triceps brachii, spinotrapezius, latimus dorsi, biceps femoris, gastrocnemius, external oblique, gluteus maximus, and the major and minor pectoralis. The biceps brachii will help to flex the lower arm. It is located on the anterior surface of the humerus. Next, the triceps brachii, which is located on the back and on the sides of the upper arm, helps to extend the lower portion of the arm. Located across the dorsal thoracic region of the rat, the spinotrapezius helps to move the scapula up and backwards. The latimus dorsi helps move the humerus. It is located posterior on the body. The biceps femoris is located on the side of the thigh and helps flex the lower leg. The gastrocnemius is located posterior on the leg and helps to extend the foot. The external oblique is near the abdomen and helps flex the body wall. This is comparable to humans as abs. The gluteus maximus is located on the lower back and rear, near the caudule. This muscle helps extend the thigh at the hip. Finally, the major pectoralis and the lower pectoralis are located in the chest area and helps draw the arms forward.
Thank you for joining us for the dissection of our rat.
We hope you don't have a ratty day.
We'll squeak you later.
Bye!
Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this?